Hey, Gary here with you. Day 40, AI blogging, jumping straight into Grooveblog. You can see here I've added 1, 2, 3 space fun fact post. The thing that I'm having an issue with, again, is the word fascinating. I covered this where the AI sort of locked into this word. And you can see here, discover fascinating facts about the Kuiper belt. Now, these 1, 2, 3 posts we're done inside of KoalaWriter, inside of bulk mode. If you click article Q, you can see that I've utilized the bulk mode to just do these in the background. And then all you have to do is when you are ready to publish the post, you click view, and then you can see here the word fascinating again and again, meteor facts, fascinating again and again, Oort cloud facts, fascinating again and again. So like I said, it's stuck on this word. I could definitely use the AI to get rid of that word, or even possibly inside of KoalaWriter, when I come down to the advanced options, might be able to add this into the extra section prompt. Do not use the word fascinating, or use different types of adjectives to describe what you think is so fascinating about the content that you're writing. Next up is to go and dive back into this Big Bang Theory criticisms. Of course, you remember in the update where we're talking about the plugins, we were using the plugins to go out and get live data. It did create what I thought was a really decent outline, but it got down here and I had some questions about whether or not these are the actual top 3 people asked questions, especially after it gave me this information, after I told it not to not give me information about the TV show. So what I did is I just simply went ahead and Googled this myself, Big Bang Theory criticisms, and I can see here there are 4 questions that people also asked. So you can see those here compared to what we got from the plugins using ChatGPT. So what I did, or what I'm going to do, is just take that and utilize the information as well as the information that's here inside of this introduction. Go back over to ChatGPT and use the default mode and my handy dandy prompt where I pull the 30 LSI keywords and then have it write the outline. As you can see, I did that here. Then what I did is I said, great, now combine this outline into the one in chat for a new outline based upon the input. And then I just took the information from the outline that ChatGPT plus the plugins had given me, and then it gave me a new outline, which is getting even better in my humble opinion. And then what I did is, after it did that, I went ahead and said, ask these questions. Well, I said add this. It should read add these questions to the outline and title the section frequently asked questions. And it did that, and it wrote the new outline with the new title, with the new introduction. And then you can see down here, it added the frequently asked questions. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up to my response manager, go here and copy my handy dandy prompt from my response manager where I'm recording all my prompts using a hypnotic Nickelodeon style at a 5th grade reading level. Write the introduction and be sure to include all the LSI keywords and grab the reader's attention. That actually says reader's attention, and entice them to keep reading. While we're here, I'm going to go up to my response manager and I'm going to edit that, and I'm going to put that back in where I've made those edits. But it's been working pretty well so far, even with my terrible ability to write a complete sentence or a sentence that makes sense. So now you can see that it's going to take that prompt and it's going to dive in and it's going to start writing the introduction. Kapow, bang. Imagine, if you will, a gigantic explosion so powerful it created everything we know, from the tiniest atom to the vast cosmos. So you can see that's doing its thing. It's writing. Of course, it's going to write that introduction. Then I'm going to move through each of these sections and have it write each section. And then what we'll do is we'll get that up on Grooveblog, and then we'll take some of the things that we've learned using the plugins and maybe do a comparison to the top articles, see how we can improve this, see if we can add any videos and or images, and go from there, because this is day 40. As we move along to day 100, we're doing a lot of stuff, and we're about to get to the point, day 50, where we're going to just reset and look at everything that we've accomplished up to day 50, and then look at what's going to happen on out to day 100 as we keep going, creating content, and see what we get. Back to ChatGPT, you can see that this has finished. You can go ahead and read that, or you can wait for the blog post to be posted tomorrow in tomorrow's update. If you're having fun, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.